Hey everybody, and welcome to day 13 of May the Force Be With You month here on Plastic Nostalgic. Today we're going back miniaturized with this R2D2 micro machine. This is a lot like that one that I got the other day of the First Order Stormtrooper, but it's R2D2. The droid who's the main character through the whole Star Wars franchise. So let's open this one up and see what's inside. Today, on lucky day number 13, we have this Star Wars The Force Awakens micro machine of R2D2. It comes with a little Chewbacca action figure and a Snowspeeder, First Order Snowspeeder on the inside here. Now, I'm not sure what set or what movie this is supposed to represent, because it kind of looks like Hoth, but these are First Order Stormtroopers, so I'm not really sure. You see how it folds open here into the R2D2. Here's a couple of the other sets. There's R2D2 on the side. So let's get into this thing. Always be careful when using a knife. And slide it through there, cut that tape right off of there. Let's open it up. Oh, I forgot some tape. See, that's why you got to be careful. I didn't see any on the bottom there. Okay. Now let's get it out of here. Wow, that's a tight fit. All right, there we go. Just drop it all out. Here is the First Order Stormtroopers in their little Snowspeeder. These are snow troopers. It's hard to tell because they're micro machines, but there's all the detail you need right there to tell that they're the snow troopers. Nicely detailed on the inside there. There's the underside. Also in that little piece we have Chewbacca with his bowcaster on the ready. Now, if there was ever a first mate to have that you can count on, he'd be the one. Okay, and here we have R2D2. That's a pretty good looking representation of R2D2. It would look nice sitting on the shelf. Let's see the instructions on how to open it. Okay, it has a little switch on the back. You flip up, slide down. Okay, let's see what that says. Flip this up and pull that down. Okay. Fold this down, and this is where you attach the Snowspeeder with that little tiny hole on the bottom right there. Fits a little better than that last one did. Let's see here. Pretty close there on the sides, but you get the picture. Let's see the little... Oh, this piece falls down here. And that's it. Okay. That's easy enough. And reverse order. Fold everything back up. And clamp down the little switch. And he's back to being R2D2. And here is Chewbacca inside, you can see for scale. There's a little cavern right here, a little cliff side with some equipment, maybe a shield generator on this side. It's got a little staircase, and that's the part you got to flip up and down when you're closing it and opening it. It has like an ice slide on this side with some ski jumps maybe. A couple of computer banks on the side of this cliff face. And this looks more like a shield generator than the other thing. Some kind of vents, maybe supplying the underground rebel base with fresh air. Oh, look, there's those stormtroopers, the snow troopers in the Snowspeeder again. That's a very interesting little play set from Micro Machines. And it will look nice displayed on the shelf. So let's fold it back up. I think that was down already, maybe. Uh-oh. Let's look at that instruction booklet again. Fold that up. There we go. Oh, that was already down. Let's see if we can find a spot for Chewie and the Snowspeeder. Slide them right down on the inside there. Oh, too far, Chewie. There we go. Slide those right down inside there. Wow, this don't fit as well as the other one did. We're going to have to find a new home for these two guys. Close a little switch down, and here we go. R2D2 Micro Machine. Pretty good looking droid. Thanks for joining us today on Plastic Nostalgics May the Force Be With You month. I have to say something about these Micro Machines. Well, they're pretty fun to play with while they're all open out. They do make nice display for the shelf after they're put back up like this. And if you want to see us unbox some more Star Wars goodies, just like and subscribe and join us for more all month long on May the Force Be With You month. See y'all next time.